A 20 kilowatts heater is supplied by two 60 amps breakers. We will address the wiring requirements, specifically whether two separate number 6 Romex cables can be used from the service panel. Firstly, let's perform the load calculation. The heater is rated at 20,000 watts. The breakers are two 60 amps breakers, totaling 120 amps of breaker amperage. A 10% margin for dirting is considered by multiplying the 20 kilowatts by 1.1, resulting in 22 kilowatts. The adjusted load calculation is 22 kilowatts multiplied by 1000, then divided by 240 volts, which equals 91.67 amps. Now let's discuss the wiring requirements. Based on the adjusted load of 91.67 amps, a number 2 American wire gauge copper wire is typically required, as per National Electrical Code Table 310.16. However, the National Electrical Code also allows up to 3 current-carrying conductors in a single raceway, provided they are not over 80% of the ampacity of the raceway. In this scenario, using two number 6 American wire gauge copper wires in a single raceway would provide a combined ampacity of 108 amps, which exceeds the calculated load of 91.67 amps. The question specifically asks about using two separate number 6 American wire gauge Romex cables. Romex, also known as non-metallic sheet cable, has specific ampacity ratings based on the National Electrical Code Table 310.16 and is also subject to the temperature limitations outlined in 334.80. For number 6 American wire gauge Romex with a temperature rating of 60 degrees Celsius, the ampacity is limited to 55 amps. If the temperature rating is 75 degrees Celsius, the ampacity is 65 amps, and if the temperature rating is 90 degrees Celsius, the ampacity is 75 amps. It is important to ensure the terminations at the breaker and heater are rated for the chosen temperature rating. It's important to consult the specific ampacity table based on the temperature rating of the Romex cable being used and ensure that the terminations at the breaker and heater are rated for the wire temperature used. Since the load calculation resulted in 91.67 amps total, each breaker will carry approximately half of the total load. This means each breaker will see around 45.84 amps. If you use two separate number 6 American wire gauge Romex cables, one for each 60 amps breaker, and the conductors are rated 75 degrees Celsius, each cable can handle up to 65 amps. Therefore, two number 6 American wire gauge Romex cables, each protected by a 60 amps breaker, is suitable if the Romex cable has a temperature rating of 75 degrees Celsius or higher. For a final conclusion, yes, it is permissible to run two separate number 6 American wire gauge Romex cables from the service panel for the 20 kilowatts heater with two 60 amps breakers. However, it is extremely important to ensure that the wires are properly sized, have the correct temperature rating, and are protected in accordance with the National Electrical Code requirements. Ensure that all connections are properly made and torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Always consult a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure safety and compliance with local codes and regulations.